So I'm back out here in the Indian Gulch wildfire inside the live truck putting together tonight's story for the 9 and 10 o'clock newscast, and I'm here with photojournalist Scott Yoon, who's complaining about my text message noise because it goes
annoying.
It's annoying. You say it's annoying, but you're just jealous because you don't have friends who text you as much, is what it comes down to. You're jealous. Anyways, we're putting together a story because reporters Will Ripley and Kyle Cavodi are down at the fire in Douglas County, the wildfire that sparked up, evacuated a couple thousand homes. It looks like firefighters are starting to get a handle on that one. This one out here at Indian Gulch they have a better handle on, and they've started to see a little bit of precip come in today, which is good news, of course, with all the dry weather we've had. So make sure to tune in tonight at 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, and if my text message beep goes off again, I'm going to put it in Scott Yoon's ear so he gets even more irritated.
I'm going to throw that thing.
He won't throw it.